How to fix Roblox. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings error. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings error in Roblox usually happens because of privacy settings, age restrictions, or account limitations. Here is how you can fix it. First, change privacy and account settings. If your account has restricted access, you need to change your settings. So on your PC or your mobile phone, go to Roblox settings and then tap on the privacy option. Further, under the Who Can Join Me in Experiences tab, select Everyone or Friends. Next, check account age. Some games are age restricted and require an account that is 13 or older. So go to Settings and then tap on the Account Info option. Now check if your birth date is set correctly. If your account is under 13, some games may be blocked due to parental controls. If needed, you may need to verify your age with an ID. Next, go ahead and disable account restrictions. If parental controls are enabled, they might be blocking some experiences. So go to Settings and then tap on the Privacy option and scroll down and find Account Restrictions. And if it is on, turn it off. Also, you can try to log out and log back in. Sometimes, settings don't update immediately. You can simply log out of Roblox and log back in to refresh your account settings page. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Roblox. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.